In the world of infrastructure and industrial systems, corrosion is a constant threat. Are you ready to tackle corrosion challenges and extend the life of critical assets? Introducing the Certified Corrosion Specialist (CCS) course by CDG Training. Gain hands-on knowledge and expertise through our self-paced online course. Earn globally recognized certification upon completion of the course. Understand the science of corrosion, from chemical reactions to environmental factors. Master the techniques used in corrosion prevention and protection. Learn how to develop and implement effective corrosion management strategies. Test your skills with real-world scenarios and interactive assessments. Prepare for the real-world challenges of corrosion inspection and monitoring. Corrosion costs billions globally each year. Are you equipped to minimize that impact? Learn the latest techniques in protective coatings and advanced corrosion control. Ensure the integrity and safety of industrial structures for years to come. Become a certified corrosion specialist today. Visit www.cdgtraining.com to enroll now. Your journey to corrosion control mastery starts here.